What's the meaning of cane sugar? Cane sugar. Cane sugar.
Cane sugar. Cane sugar. Cane sugar is a type of sweetener made from the juice of sugarcane. The juice is extracted by crushing the sugarcane and then boiled to remove impurities and water. What remains is a thick, syrupy liquid known as molasses. The molasses is then crystallized and dried to form raw sugar, which can be further refined into granulated white sugar. Cane sugar has a distinct taste compared to other types of sugar and is commonly used in baking and cooking. It is also considered more natural and less processed than other forms of sugar.